If you want to make $24,000 per day on YouTube without making videos, without any skills, and without any special editing, then this video is for you. In this video I show you how to make money on YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is the new platform of YouTube. YouTube also promote their Shorts videos. And the good thing is that you don't need to monetize your YouTube channel for making money. You just need to upload a video, and your video must be 1 minute or more than 20 seconds. YouTube says that you just upload Shorts videos, I will promote them. You don't need to do something special for making videos. You don't need camera for making videos. In this video I show you the best and easily way through which you can make money easily with bonus too. Then let's start. You can see the first channel is New Smart Utilities. Now you see they upload just Shorts videos, and you can see their videos is not more than 1 minute. You can see they upload gadgets videos. They upload kitchen gadgets videos, and they upload 3 videos a day, which is good. They upload many videos, I think more than 30 videos. They get their video from Amazon and AliExpress. They use affiliate program and use their product in Amazon. AliExpress provide the affiliate link, and they use in their video and they earn bonus. Now if we see their earning in Social Blade stats which show everything. Now you see their last 30 days views is more than 2 million. And their monthly estimate earning is up to $675 to $10,000. Now if see their daily videos views is 95,000 plus views, 56,000 plus views and also 94,000 plus views. Now you can see that how they upload their Shorts videos and how much they earn. Now let's go to the second example channel. Second channel is Smart Home Gadgets, and they got 1.23 million subscribers. Now you can see they also upload just Shorts videos, which is more than 20 seconds and less than 1 minute. And they also get their videos from Amazon affiliate and AliExpress affiliate marketing. And they upload home gadgets. Now see their estimate in Social Blade. Now you can see their last 30 days views is more than 74 million. And their monthly estimate is up to $18,000 to $296,000, which is very huge amount. And you can see their every video's views is more than million, is 2 to 5 millions views in every videos. And they subscribers increase with their videos. Now I show you how you can get the video from Amazon and upload the video, earn money. First you have to create the affiliate account. Then go to the Amazon website, and open any product which you like. I open first product is electronics product, which is Amazon bestseller product. Now you can see their videos, link on the video. Now you can download their videos from Video Downloader Helper. Video Downloader Helper is the only Chrome and Firefox extension which download Amazon video. Now I download the video from there, which is kitchen appliance video. Now go to the Canva website. Open the Canva and click Customize and Search Ads and open the Story Ads. Now you can upload your video here, like I upload my video. My video is taking so long, so I show you other videos which is I already uploaded. Now set these videos, and set their time as at least 20 seconds. And now click on the ad page, and add another video. Now set their time as not more than 1 minute. Now click on Export. Export in MP4. After download the video. Now you can upload your video with best and high search volume keywords.